Okay everybody, I just want to get rid of a myth from our childhood, from when our parents told us that you couldn't put a spoon in the microwave. Well, I'm here to show you that you very much can. Watch. Ready? So basically the spoon is insulated by the water, so you can only put a spoon in the microwave if it's in water. But if you've ever basically you know when you overboil the peas because they spontaneously kind of explode instantly because water all of a sudden just boils in a microwave, the spoon will stop it overspilling, so it will heat up your cold tea, coffee, or just cook your peas. It has to be in a liquid though, guys, alright? Don't blow up your freaking microwaves. But yeah, the folklore is killed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, activate. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, that is a spoon. I'm holding it. It is not hot. It is all fine. I'm gonna drink me hot toddy. Gotta love that. Lovely. Treat yourself. Bye bye.